There we have it. We got
I think I'm good with this.
You think so?
I'm sorry.
What's good, y'all? King Time still here, back with another video. Hey, this time around we got this unboxing to do for the raffle winner. Got my boy Darius here,
AKA D.
AKA D.
You wanna go by D though?
Hey, me and D, we've been cool since
Sandbox.
6th grade. It's been a minute.
Yeah, it's been a minute.
Bro, I think actually you should probably do this.
Yeah. You don't want me to open it?
Yeah. Just for the video aesthetics. So, yeah, D, he was a raffle winner. There's a couple of videos ago, we started a raffle. We had a bunch of people join the raffle. I think it was probably like 19 people. And he won. So, $100 fragrance giveaway. He actually didn't pick what he wanted. He told me I could just grab whatever. And
yeah, I trusted you.
Yeah, so I'm actually curious to see if you know what I mean, what your thoughts and opinions is gonna be. So my idea was I grabbed 2 fragrances, which we have here, and then yeah, you just basically get to pick whichever one you want.
Okay.
I was gonna try to make it like a little thing, but I couldn't really put it together in my head.
Okay.
But yeah, so
the first one is the YSL.
is this the?
I don't know the name of it.
Oh yeah,
it's the YSL.
The Lake Parfum.
I don't know if y'all can see it. Fire. Yeah, I knew I could trust you.
Yeah.
Alright, there's some YSL too.
Yeah.
This the Intense.
Yeah, EDP Intense.
Yeah.
Yeah, so look. I figured we could do this unboxing together. We can see what they smell like and all that, and then yeah, you know what I mean? You pick whichever one you want. There's some lucky behind here. That was just throwing a bunch of crap in the boxes. But we'll go with that one first, and then
It's the first one I opened.
yeah, the Lake Parfum.
Yeah, I smell this already.
You smell it?
I smell it already.
Oh yeah, I see what you're talking about.
I should bring my girl out here to let her test it.
Oh yeah, look, if she wanna hop in here, she can.
I'm gonna spray it on here.
Yeah, spray on the card.
Yeah.
Look, that's who really needs to be picking this for you, huh?
Yeah. Okay.
So I smelled both of these at Macy's earlier this year.
Yeah.
I think one of these came out this year. I think this Lake Parfum came out this year.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, let me see. I don't remember what they smell like, but yeah, that smells fire though. Like
That little bottle.
I like that all black bottle. It's
Yeah,
fire.
yeah,
Is it cat magnetic?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's not.
Alright. It ain't a lot.
No, that smells fire though. Yeah, well, you do the next one, man.
Wish you had like a little shelf or something.
Already put them on the little display right there. Yeah, so I was trying to pick a fragrance. King had picked out a spice bomb for you, like the green one. And I'm like, that was a good option, but I wanted something that I never really smelled like that. So, because I used to have the green spice bomb, but I ended up getting rid of it. Which would have been fire though. Like green spice bomb was fire. But I'm like, this is YSL, you know what I mean? I don't know. Let's see. Let's see.
Oh no.
Yeah, that
one's fire
too.
I think I want that one. Let me see. I'm gonna just ask her like which one.
Yeah. Nah, they both smell good though.
Yeah.
This bottle looks nice too. They're the same style. You get a thumbnail right there. So you know which one is which?
I don't.
I think white paper was the first one.
Yeah.
I think the blue paper though. But you said you liked the blue one better though, huh?
white paper was the first one.
I think so, yeah.
That one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what you want.
Oh man.
Hey, I didn't think about this part. Like,
Right.
it'd be too difficult to choose.
On the real. Like what?
Let me see.
So this the first one.
Yeah,
That's fire for real.
that smells good too, though.
That's what I'm saying. Like once it's settled into the paper, like
And then you know, like once you spray it on skin too, like it's gonna take a whole different form.
yeah,
Too.
you can tell that stick to you. Like
Yeah.
that's the type of cologne that's gonna stick to you. Like, be on you for 3 days. Like.
You're right, facts. I don't know. It's up to you though.
Right. I guess I can go off the bottle at this point.
Yeah.
Go off with they the same bottle.
It's the same exact bottle.
Yeah,
Everything.
yeah.
I didn't even realize that when I was ordering. They the same exact bottle, same size, same shape.
Right.
They both got the little white on the side.
So
You want
this
the
one
all
blue.
black or do you want the blue?
Blue, right. Wow.
Nah,
See, sir. Sir. I don't know. I just close my eyes and you just pull one.
Should we do a flip a coin? I ain't got no coin.
I got plenty coins.
Yeah, do a flip a coin then.
Alright. Do it matter? Do it got to be a quarter or?
I don't think it matters.
Alright. So I found a penny.
Okay, so the heads, lay parfum, tails, EDP intense. Tails.
Pills. Alright.
That's a
good.
banger, bro.
Yeah, that's a banger.
Either way it go, like.
Yeah, that's fire. That's fire.
Dang,
Let me
so
try that again.
there we have it. We got
I think I'm gonna go with this one.
You think so?
I'm sorry. Hold on.
Nah. I know what you mean though.
This one fire. I mean, they both fire, but like.
I think personally, bro, I already planned on it. I'm like, I'm gonna have to buy this. Whichever one you don't pick, I'm buying the other ones again.
Bet. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna go with the white one. Final call.
That's
Final
it.
call. Yeah.
Boom. Yeah. We got the Raffle Winner. He picked his fragrance. We got the YSL EDP.
Let's go.
Or no, the YSL Lay Parfum.
Yeah.
Hey, more videos on the way, more raffles on the way. I think this was fun, but also too, I learned. I'm like, next time I do a raffle, I'm gonna have the stuff in hand. You know what I mean? So you don't gotta wait so long.
Yeah.
Either that, or I'll probably just do a gift card too. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That way, I could either just send the code over so you have the gift card, or you could, you know what I mean? Just take it right to the store, or whatever.
Right.
Yeah. Hey.
Hey, yeah, man. It's your boy once again, D. Make sure y'all go click the subscribe button. Follow my boy.
Yeah.
And y'all can be the next winner.
Yes,
Y'all
sir.
can be unboxing YSL boxing and smelling good like me, you know?
Yeah. Hey. That's King Times 2. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.